key in the data. So if you get an instruction that says key in the spreadsheet as it appears, so these students only means that you just type the information or the spreadsheet as it is, the way that you see it. Okay, so I want us to just do that. Just not, I hope it's not too small. Okay, so this is how we type in the spreadsheet. So just type in what you see. So we've got family, term budget 2014. Okay, use that tab. You can use that tab, or you just can click the next one. It's JK Zinto. So as you can see here, we've got this manuscript sign. So this manuscript sign only means that you leave one line open. So we're just going to leave this cell open, then we type the next text under that. Okay, so I will use the tab key to move to the next line. Okay, then this is how I'm gonna key in my January. So you do not need to type January, February, March. You can just use the autofill handle. The autofill handle is this square shape here. Where you put your mouse, it will turn into a plus. Then you just click and drag to the right. Then as you can see, it will fill in the next month. So you do not need to write January, February, March. You can just use the autofill handle to just do that. Okay, and then you just type in the text as you see it. Okay, so it's mortgage slash rent. So and then that's 2000. So you can see it's 2000, and it's 2000 across January, February, March. So you can still use the autofill handle to copy the 2000 on the rest of the other months, just like that. It's simple, hey? Okay, then you continue. We've got electricity here, electricity. Then you just key in the numbers. You got 450 tab, you got 320 tab, you've got 350. Then you can also use the 4 arrows to navigate through your data. And then you've got phone tab, it's 200. Even here it's 200 across. Just use the autofill handle to copy 200 to the rest. It's faster. Then we've got groceries. Groceries, you've got 800. You've got 650. You've got 900. So the last one is clothing. You've got 500. You've got 250. You've got 600. Voila! Now you've keyed in your data nicely, like that. Okay, so now you can see that your rent here in the mortgage, it's not showing like it's showing here. So remember this instruction that says adapt column width when necessary to ensure that the spreadsheet fits on one A4 portrait page. Okay, so this is how we're going to adjust our column width. Okay, so adjusting the column width, you can put your mouse here. Just wait for it to make that black plus type of a shape. Then when you click and hold and you drag to the right. Remember, we just want the information to show, but we don't want your columns to be too wide. So you can like make sure that your spreadsheet fits nicely and the information is showing nicely like that. So